In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove third-party apps from Gmail account. If you've ever signed into a service using your Google account or allowed an app to access things like your email, contacts, or calendar, those connections can linger even after you stop using the app. Removing them is a quick way to protect your privacy and tighten your account security, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is your Google account homepage where you manage security and privacy settings. If you're asked to sign in, do that now. Take a second to confirm you're on the right account by checking the profile picture or initial in the top right, especially if you use multiple Google accounts in the same browser. Next, click on Security, sometimes labeled Security and Sign In depending on your layout. This section is where Google groups everything related to protecting your account and controlling who gets access. It includes things like password settings, two-step verification, and third-party connections. Now scroll to the area called Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. You might also see it phrased as Third-Party Apps with Account Access. This is where Google lists apps and services that you've authorized to connect to your account. It's normal to see a few familiar tools here, but it's worth reviewing anything you don't recognize or no longer use. Click on See All Connections to open the full list. Here you'll usually see app names, the type of access they have, and sometimes when they were last used. Take a moment to scan through and identify any app you want to remove, focusing on ones you haven't used recently or don't trust. Click the app name you want to remove to view its details. You can quickly review the permissions it has, like access to Gmail, Drive, or your basic profile. If you're confident you no longer need it connected, click Delete All Connections. This action revokes the app's access tokens, which means it can no longer read data from your Google account or act on your behalf. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm to finalize the removal. The change takes effect immediately. If you ever need the app again, you can reconnect later, and Google will ask you to grant permissions at that time. That's it. You can repeat these steps for any other apps you want to remove. As a best practice, review this list a few times a year, and remember that removing a connection doesn't delete data the app may already have stored. Check the app's own settings or support page if you want that data deleted. Thanks for watching and keep your account secure.